Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a touching and profound topic that explores the complexities of relationships, redemption, and the power of second chances. In this video, we'll share a story that revolves around a man's heartfelt plea to a woman for the last chance to return to his family. Join us as we delve into this narrative that teaches us about the resilience of love and the human capacity for change. Do everything to protect your family. The story unfolds. In a world where relationships can often be tested and strained, the story we're about to share is a reminder that love and compassion can heal even the deepest wounds. Our tale begins with a man who had walked a troubled path, leading him to make choices that not only affected him but also left his family shattered. If you want to get successful family life sometime, someone need to surrender. As time passed and he reflected on his actions, he realized the gravity of his mistakes and the pain he had caused. Deeply remorseful, he reached out to the woman who had been by his side through thick and thin, despite the pain he had inflicted on her. He understood the significance of his family and the precious bonds he had risked losing. The man approaching the woman with a heartfelt expression. The last chance. In a moment of vulnerability, the man found the courage to ask the woman for the last chance to return to his family. He acknowledged his wrongdoings and expressed his sincere desire to change and rebuild the bridges he had burned. It was a plea filled with raw emotions and a genuine yearning for redemption. The emotional interaction between the man and the woman. A glimpse of redemption. What transpired next was a journey of introspection, forgiveness, and healing. The woman, torn between her hurt and the memories of happier times, saw the transformation in the man's eyes. His willingness to change, coupled with the sincerity of his apology, began to plant the seeds of hope for a better future. Montage of moments showcasing the man's efforts to change. The power of second chances. As time went on, the woman saw the man's commitment to his promise of change. She observed the efforts he made to mend the broken relationships, seeking forgiveness not just through words, but through actions. And in this story of redemption, we witness the remarkable power of second chances. Heartwarming moments of the man and his family reuniting. In a world where mistakes can sometimes seem irreparable, this story reminds us that the human spirit is capable of change, growth, and transformation. It underscores the importance of empathy, forgiveness, and the bonds that connect us as families. Let this narrative inspire us to believe in the power of redemption and the beauty of second chances. The man and the woman sharing a meaningful gaze. Thank you for joining us in this heartwarming journey. If you found this story touching and inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might need a reminder that change is possible. Until next time, remember that the path to redemption is paved with love, compassion, and the willingness to heal. We'll meet again like this life story.